Hello. Hello.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Okay, Pragya, answer.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Covered with.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Covered with.
Covered with. Yes. Gilded means covered with. Then what is the meaning of drenched? Who wanted to answer? Advit,
ma'am, what?
you wanted to answer. What is the meaning of drenched? I told in the previous class.
Your voice is not
When
clear.
soaked in water.
Yes, drenched means soaked in
Hello?
water. Drenched.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Voice is not clear. Okay. Hello, now is it clear? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, meaning of drenched is soaked in water. Where was the statue of the Happy Prince situated? Where was the statue of the Happy Prince?
On the tall column.
Yes, on the tall column.
Ma'am, screen
On the
was not
tall column.
visible.
What? Screen is not visible. There is nothing on the screen right now. When I will start teaching, then I will show the screen. Right now, it's just a recap. What we had learned in the previous class, I'm asking you questions from that. Okay. Who came to the city of the Happy Prince one day? Who came to the
A little shallow.
A little swallow.
Yes, a little swallow came to the city. Okay, when I'll tell your names, you have to answer. Advit, you answer. Where did the swallow take shelter?
Between the feet of the prince.
Yes, the swallow took shelter between the feet of the prince. Anuj Sharan, what happened when the swallow took shelter under the feet of the prince? Something strange happened.
Prepared. Yes,
Anuj,
ma'am. The shallow prepared, and one big drop of water fall on the shallow. We think where the is coming from, and
yes,
again one more drop of water came. Then she think that she had to leave this place and take shelter in a chimney. When she prepared to fly, then the third drop of water came, and then she saw the happy prince was crying.
yes, very good, Anuj. Yes, very good. The swallow took shelter under the feet of the happy prince. The swallow thought that this was the best place to take shelter. Why? Because it was on a tall platform, it was very airy, and besides, the body of the happy prince was covered with gold, leaves of gold. So the swallow thought that this is a golden bedroom. Never in her life had she got a chance to sleep in a golden bedroom. Why not make use of this opportunity? So she thought that this is the best place, airy, and the golden bedroom. But just as she was preparing to sleep, what happened? One drop of water fell on her body. And then she looked up. She was surprised because there were no clouds in the sky. When there were no clouds, from where was this water falling? But as she was thinking, the second drop fell. And then she thought that I have to leave this place. I have to search a new shelter. What is the use of this golden bedroom when it cannot protect me from water? हाँ? ऐसे सुनहरे बेडरूम का क्या काम जब वो मुझे पानी से भी सुरक्षा नहीं करा सकती. तो swallow thought that I will go and take shelter in a chimney. That is the best place. And while it was just preparing to fly, then the third drop of water fell. And then the swallow looked up, and surprisingly, those water droplets were not raindrops. Those were the drops of tears that were falling from the eyes of the happy prince. Okay. What did the happy prince tell the swallow about its life? Who can answer? What did the happy prince tell the swallow about its life? Now it is a statue. Earlier, when it was alive, what kind of life did the happy prince lead? Who will answer? Rishabh Ranjan, answer. Soni Kumari. Soni Kumari, answer. Soni Roy, sorry. Soni Roy.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Soni Roy, can you hear me? Hello. Hello, answer my question. What did the happy prince tell the swallow about its life? If you cannot hear me, then I'm writing the question. What did the happy prince tell the swallow about its life? Answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Who? Who wants to answer?
Ma'am,
Answer.
when I was alive and had a human heart,
When I was alive, I had a human heart. Yes, continue, Anushka.
yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I did
Anushka.
not know what tears were, for I lived in the palace.
Okay. Yes, Anushka, continue.
Where sorrow is not allowed to enter. My countries called me the happy prince, and happy indeed I was.
So, the happy prince, when he was alive, what kind of a life did he lead? Happy or sad life? Hello?
Ma'am, happy.
Happy
I'm happy.
Happy life. Why? Because he was a prince. He did not have any worries. Everything was in plenty, in abundance. So he led a very happy life while he was alive. What happened after his death? What kind of scenes he got to see from the raised platform? जब उसके स्टैच्यू को एक रेज्ड प्लेटफॉर्म पे खड़ा किया गया, तो what kind of scenes he saw?
Ugliness and misery of his country.
Ugly.
Sorry, of his city.
Yes. What is the meaning of misery? What is the meaning of
Problem.
sadness, pain,
sorrow?
sadness,
Yes, sorrow. Misery means
sadness or and sorrow.
sorrow or sadness. So when he was dead, what happened? His statue was kept on the tall platform, and from there he could see the sorrow of his city. कितने दुख है उसके राज्य में, ये उसको कब पता चला? Till he was alive, did he know that the people of his country were sad? Hello?
No, ma'am.
No. Shreyasi, when did he come to know that, when did he come to know about the ugliness of his country? Shreyasi?
When he was dead and set up hair so high.
Yes, after his death, he came to know that the people of his country are very sad. And after that, he felt very guilty. अपने आप को दोषी मानने लगा वो कि उसने तो एक अच्छा लाइफ जी लिया. What about his countrymen? He himself led a very happy life. What about his countrymen? They were all very sad. Most of the people were very sad. And what was the reason that he was crying? Why was he crying? Hello, who will answer? Why was he crying? Hello. He was crying to see the sorrow of his. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am. We can
Yes,
hear
ma'am.
you.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Satyam, answer. Why was he crying? Satyam Jha, answer. Why was he crying? When he saw the. Why was he
When
crying?
he saw the
When he saw the ugliness and sorrow of his city.
Yes, very good. When he saw the ugliness and sorrow of his city, जब उसने देखा कि उसके राज्य के लोग कितने दुखी हैं, तब जो है वो रोने लगे. When he saw the sorrow and ugliness of his city, then he started crying. When I was alive, जब swallow ने, when the swallow asked the reason, when the swallow asked the reason why the happy prince was weeping. You know the meaning of weeping, Dinesh? Dinesh?
Crying.
Yes,
I'm crying.
yes. Weeping means crying. So when when the swallow asked the happy prince why he was weeping, then he answered that he was weeping to see the sorrow of his countrymen. Ugliness, and though my heart is made of lead, yet I cannot choose but weep. What is he not solid gold? Said the swallow to himself. What did the swallow think? That his whole body was made of gold. What was the reality? Body was made of lead, it was covered with golden leaves. It was coated. So, is he not solid gold? Said the swallow to himself. He did not ask this question. Why? Because he did not want to hurt the happy prince. He was too polite to make any personal remarks. He did not want to comment any personal thing to the happy prince. He was too polite to make any personal remarks. Far away, continued the statue in a low musical voice. Far away in a little street, there is a poor house. One of the windows is open, and through it I can see a woman seated at a table. So the happy prince narrated to the swallow what he could see. So the happy prince is telling to the swallow that I can see a poor house, there is a street, there is a poor house, and one of the windows is open, and through it I can see a woman. What could the happy prince see from the stage, from the pedestal? He could see a poor house. In that poor house, the window was open, and through the window he could see a woman seated at a table. A woman was sitting at the table. Her face is thin and worn. Here, worn means tired. Her face is thin and worn. What is the physical appearance of the woman? Her face is thin and worn, tired. And she has coarse red hands. Coarse means what? Anyone tell me the meaning of coarse? Hello?
Dull.
Coarse means rough. What kind of hand she is having? Her hands are very rough, and her face looks thin and tired. Her face looks thin and tired. Her hands are rough and also red, all pricked by the needle. Prick means entering of a sharp object. So what has happened to her hands?
Red hands.
Her hands are red. Why her hands are red? Because the needle has pricked in her hands. हाथ में जो है बहुत सारी सुई जो है चुभी हुई है. मतलब prick मतलब चुभना. Entering of something sharp. Pricked by the needle. For she is a seamstress. What is the job of this woman who lives in the poor house? Seamstress. Seamstress means lady tailor. Lady Taylor. So this woman, why is her hands red and rough? Because continuously she is sewing clothes. What is she? Why is the hands of the lady coarse and rough? Because she is a tailor, and being a tailor, what is her work? टेलर है तो दिन भर क्या काम उनको करना पड़ता है? कपड़े सिलने हैं, और कपड़े सिलते समय हाथ की क्या हालत हो गई है? What is the condition of her hands? Tell me,
Become
what is
red.
the condition of her hands?
Ma'am, her hands are rough
Her
and
hands
red.
becomes red.
Yes, rough and red, and there are needle marks on her hand. सुई की निशान है, सुई चुभने की, all pricked by the needle. For she is a seamstress. She is a lady tailor. She is embroidering flowers on a satin gown. And what is she doing at present? At present, she is embroidering flowers.
Embroidering flowers on a satin gown.
Satin gown for the loveliest of the queen's maids of honor. And for whom is she stitching the gown? For the queen's maid. For whom is she stitching the gown? For the queen's maid of honor, means attendant. The attendant of the queen. She is stitching the gown for the attendant to wear at the next court ball. Here ball means party. Ball also means the playing ball, but ball has another meaning. Ball also means party. So this lady tailor, she is stitching clothes for the attendant of the queen. Why? Because the attendant has to attend a party. In a bedroom, in a bed in the corner of the room, her little boy is lying ill. And this lady, she also has a son. This lady tailor, is she living alone? No. She has a son. What about the son? What is his condition? He's lying ill. अब ये लेडी टेलर जो है वो अकेले नहीं रहती है, अपने बेटे के साथ रहती है. और बेटे की क्या स्थिति है? वो बीमार है. Boy is lying ill, he has fever and is asking his mother to give him oranges. Now if you have fever, you want to eat something very different. So this boy also, he is having fever, and what is he demanding from his mother?
Oranges.
Oranges. The mother has nothing to give him but river water. Now look at the condition of this lady. She's working so hard, but she doesn't have money to buy oranges for her son. What a poor condition. How sad. In spite of working hard, what is her situation? She doesn't even have oranges to give to her son. What can she afford to give him? वो उसको पानी के अलावा कुछ नहीं दे सकती है. His mother has nothing to give him but river water, so he is crying. Why is the boy crying?
Ma'am, because the boy
Ma'am,
has
because
only
he did not
water.
Because
fulfill
his
his
mother has
demand.
nothing to give
He
him.
cannot-
To give him but river water.
Aditya answer एक साथ नहीं. Aditya Raj answer. Why is the boy crying? Hello.
Ma'am, because her mother not give him, ma'am, that he want, but only, ma'am, he give him water, river water.
Yes, very good, Aditya. Yes, very good. Mother was not able to give him oranges. She could only give him river water. And also he was sick, बीमार था एक तो बेचारा, और माँ जो है पसंदीदा चीज भी नहीं दे रही थी. So he was crying. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not bring her the ruby out of my sword hilt? Now this happy prince is very kind-hearted. He wants to help this lady. So what did he tell to the swallow? That you take out the precious stone from my sword hilt. मेरे sword के hilt में जो वो कीमती रूबी है, उसको निकाल लो. This happy prince, he wants to give this ruby to that poor lady. What is the use of the ruby in the hilt? Sword के handle में उस कीमती पत्थर का क्या use है? अगर if that ruby is given to the lady, she can sell it and she can get a lot of money that will
Huge amount.
to her poverty. हाँ, उसकी गरीबी खत्म हो सकती है. Poverty means गरीबी. It can end her poverty. So what did the prince say to the swallow? That take out the ruby from my hilt. My feet are fastened. Fastened means what? You know the meaning of fastened? Tied up. Fastened मतलब बंधा हुआ. To the pedestal. What about his? Can he move? He cannot move. Why he cannot move? Because his feet are
Water
tied.
do
Why he cannot move? Tell me. Why he cannot move?
Feet are fascinated by his
feet
crystals.
are fascinated by the crystals.
Feet are fastened. One thing is that he is a non-living thing statue, and his feet are also tied up to the pedestal. उसके पैर बंधे हुए हैं स्टेज से, and I cannot move. तो वो क्या करता, वो स्वैलो से रिक्वेस्ट करता है कि वो उस लेडी को हेल्प करे. कैसे? उसके स्वॉर्ड से रूबी निकाल के उस लेडी को दे दे. हाँ. So what request the happy prince makes to the swallow? You take the ruby out of my sword handle. Hilt means handle. I told you earlier, H-I-L-T, hilt. What does it mean? Hilt का मतलब क्या होता है?
Handle of a weapon.
Handle. तो what did this happy prince tell the swallow? You take out the ruby from my sword handle and you give it to that lady. I cannot do that. Why I cannot do that? Because my feet are fastened. Fastened, you pronounce it fastened. T is silent. In English, there are many words in which letters are silent. Like, have you heard? How do you pronounce this? कैसे pronounce करते हैं इसको?
Psychology.
Psychology. You don't
Psychology.
pronounce the P.
Psychology.
It begins with P, but it is pronounced psychology. So in English, there are many words which are silent. So in fastened, the spelling is F-A-S-T-E-N-E-D, but T is silent. You pronounce it fastened. So he said, the happy prince said that my feet are fastened to the stage. I cannot move. So please help me. You take out the ruby, the precious stone from the handle of my sword, and you go and give it to the lady tailor. She is so poor. Her son is ill and he is demanding oranges. She does not even have the money to give oranges to her son. I want to help that lady. Swallow, what did she reply? I am waited for in Egypt. What did she say? My friends are waiting for me in Egypt. I am waited for means what? मेरे दोस्त जो है मेरा इंतजार कर रहे हैं इजिप्ट में. My friends are flying up and down the Nile and talking to the large lotus flowers. He says that I have to go to Egypt because my friends are flying up and down the Nile. Nile is the name of the river. Nile is the name of the river, and talking to large lotus flowers. Now the birds cannot talk to the flowers, means they are just in the company. Lotus flowers के बीच में वो अपना move कर रहा है. Talking to the large lotus flowers. Soon they will go to sleep. What about the swallows friends? ज्यादातर swallow जो है वो इजिप्ट पहुंच चुके हैं, नाइल के पास पहुंच गया. नाइल is in Egypt. So the swallows friends have already reached Egypt. What about this swallow? She is left behind. The prince asked the swallow to stay with him for one night. Prince ने एक request किया swallow से, ठीक है एक रात बस रुक जाओ मेरे लिए. The prince asked the swallow to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. The prince said to the swallow that please wait for one more night, be my messenger. The boy is so thirsty and the mother so sad. He says that both the mother and the boy are very sad. Boy is thirsty, mother is sad. He said, I don't think I like boys. Swallow का क्या सा strange सा reply था. I don't like boys. I don't think I like boys, answered the swallow. I want to go to Egypt. The swallow first refused. पहले उसने इनकार कर दिया कि मुझे अपने दोस्तों के पास जाना है, इजिप्ट जाना है, मेरे सारे दोस्त पहुंच चुके. But the happy prince looked so sad and the little swallow was sorry. But when this swallow, she saw the face of the happy prince, she felt a lot of sympathy. जब swallow ने happy prince का चेहरा देखा तो उसके मन में सहानुभूति आ गई. हाँ, poor prince, no one to help him. It's very cold here, he said, but he agreed to stay with him for one night. But at last, the swallow, he agreed. एक रात रुकने के लिए वो तैयार हो गया swallow, and be his messenger. Thank you, little swallow. Now the prince was very happy. The prince requested the swallow to stay for one night, and the swallow agreed. The prince requested the swallow to stay for one night, and the swallow agreed. Thank you, little swallow. The swallow picked out the great ruby from the prince's sword and flew away with its beak over the roofs of the town. Swallow जो है वो लेडी की मदद करने के लिए तैयार हो गया. पहले तो उसने बहुत अजीब सा रिप्लाई दिया, I don't like boys. Then when he saw the face of the prince, he was full of sympathy and he wanted to help. तो रूबी निकाला उसके स्वॉर्ड से और अपने चोंच में लेकर वो उड़ने लगा पूरे roofs of the town. He started flying over the roofs of the town. He passed by the cathedral tower. Cathedral tower means church tower. He passed by the church tower where the white marble angels. Angel means, you know, what is the meaning of angel?
फरिश्ते.
Pari ma'am.
Fairies was sculpted. Sculpted means what? Carved in stone. Carved in stone. Sculpture hota na. Have you studied in history this word? Huh? Have you come across this word in your history chapters? Sculpted? Sculpture? No. Sculpted means carved. Huh? Yes, you must have.
Yes,
This word is common in history. Sculpted. Sculpted means carved in stone. Marble angels. Huh? What was
a murti.
yes? What was the church decorated with? With marble angels carved in. He passed by the palace and heard the sound of dancing. And then the swallow passed by the palace of the king. He heard the sound of dancing. A beautiful girl came out on the balcony with her lover. I hope my dress will be ready in time for the state ball, she said. And who came out on the balcony of the palace? A beautiful girl. When the swallow was flying through the royal palace, जब वो राजा के महल से गुजर रहा था, तो उसने क्या देखा? When he was passing by the palace, he saw a beautiful girl came on the veranda with her lover. And what was the girl saying? That my dress will be ready in time for the state ball. Ball means, what did I tell you? Meaning of ball.
Party.
Yes, she said, I have ordered flowers to be embroidered on it. but the seamstress are so lazy. See, look at this description. It shows the contrast, difference. Huh? Difference between रॉयल लाइफ एंड कॉमन लाइफ. रॉयल लोग क्या है, एकदम ड्रेस का चिंता है, और एक तरफ वो पुअर वुमेन doesn't even have the money to give oranges to her son. और सीमस्ट्रेस इतना मेहनत कर रही है, और वो उसने क्या कमेंट किया, वो क्वीन की अटेंडेंट जो है, seamstresses are so lazy. So here the writer is saying, trying to say that rich people don't have any sympathy for poor. A writer, what is he trying to say? He passed over the river and saw the lanterns hanging on the mast of the ship. Mast means the pole of the ship. उसने क्या देखा कि पोल पर जो है lanterns are hanging. At last he came to the poor woman's house and looked in. अंत में swallow कहाँ पहुंचा? He reached the house of the poor woman. Finally, the swallow reached his destination. उसका destination क्या था? कहाँ उसको पहुंचना था? What was the destination of the swallow?
Poor woman house.
Poor lady.
woman's house.
He reached there. What was the boy doing? Tossing, moving from one side to other. करवट लेना. टॉसिंग मतलब वन साइड टू द अदर. एक वो लड़का जो था वो एकदम बेचैन था, बुखार था उसको, एक वो करवट ले रहा था feverishly, one side to other on the bed, and the mother had fallen asleep. What about mother? काम करते करते वो थक गई, and she fell asleep. What about the boy? The boy was not able to sleep. Why? Because he had fever. In he hopped. Hopped means jumped. अब अंदर वो उड़ तो नहीं सकता. Jump. And laid the great ruby on the table beside the woman's thimble. Thimble means thimble is something that is worn for the protection of the
Nook.
हाँ
Pin या nook.
नहीं, thimble protect.
Ma'am, for
Ma'am, a small
protecting and
metal.
sewing. Ma'am, for
Ma'am, a
protecting
small
and sewing.
metal-like structure.
हाँ, थिम्बल जो है वो उंगली पे पहना जाता है. उंगली में कुछ सुई नहीं चुभे उसके लिए. थिम्बल इज
Ma'am, for
हाँ,
Ma'am,
some
where in the
protection
finger?
for swing. In swing, ma'am.
Ma'am, to protect from swing.
नहीं, ये है सही. Want to protect the fingers. तो उसने रूबी को जाके कहाँ रखा? थिम्बल के बगल में. वो लेडी ने जो थिम्बल रखा था उसके बगल में उसने जाके वो रूबी को रख दिया. Then he flew gently around the bed, fanning the boy's forehead. Fanning means what? Airing. Fanning मतलब पंखा करना. वो लड़का जो है वो क्यों why was the boy tossing restlessly? क्योंकि उसको गर्मी लग रही थी. तो swallow also was very kind hearted. उसने जब देखा कि लड़का गर्मी से बेचैन है, तो what he did? He started fanning the boy's forehead. उसमें उसके सर के पास वो हवा करने लगी अपने पंखों से. How did he fan the boy's forehead? With his wings. How cool I feel, said the boy. I must be getting better. What was the effect on the boy? जब swallow ने उसको पंखा किया तो क्या हुआ? उसको बहुत ठंडी सी फीलिंग आई. How cool I feel. The boy was very happy. He was tossing restlessly because he had fever. His whole body was hot. And when this swallow, he fanned his forehead, he moved his wings on the forehead, पंखा किया अपने पंख से, तो क्या हुआ? The boy felt cool. And what did he think? I must be getting better. And he sank into a delicious slumber. इसका meaning क्या है?
Ma'am, sleep. Slumber means sleep.
Deep sleep.
Yes,
यहाँ
sir,
delicious
sleep.
मतलब डिलिशियस मतलब टेस्टी होता है, लेकिन यहाँ डिलिशियस स्लीप मतलब क्या? एकदम
Sweet.
डीप
Sweet.
डीप
Sweet, ma'am.
पीसफुल स्लीप, अच्छी सी नींद. डिलिशियस स्लीप मतलब अच्छी नींद, पीसफुल sleep. So we'll end our class here. I'll continue in the next.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
And I'll
ma'am.
ask you all the word meanings that I have told today. सारा जो sculpted, symbol, number, tossing, जितना भी नया word, all the new words. I will begin the lesson by asking, and all of you should be able to answer. Only a few students answer. Okay, bye all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Have a nice
Have
day,
a
ma'am.
nice day, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Yes.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Nice day.